In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw your crypto from Bitget and send it directly to your bank account step by step. Whether you're cashing out profits or just need some funds in your local currency, this guide will walk you through the entire process in plain English. We will cover how to convert your crypto to a currency you can withdraw, how to use Bitget's peer-to-peer system, and how to make sure your money lands safely in your bank. If you are new to Bitget or just looking for the easiest way to cash out, this tutorial is for you. Let us jump in and turn that crypto into real money. Before we dive into the withdrawal process, let me quickly explain why Bitget is one of the best platforms for beginners who want to cash out their crypto. First, Bitget has one of the most user-friendly interfaces in the crypto space. Everything is clearly labeled and you do not need to be a tech expert to navigate it. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, which means less confusion and faster transactions. Second, Bitget offers multiple withdrawal methods. You can use peer-to-peer trading, which we will focus on today, or you can use their express withdrawal feature. This flexibility means you can choose the method that works best for your country and your bank. Third, and this is important, Bitget has some of the lowest fees in the industry. When you are cashing out, every dollar counts, and Bitget makes sure you keep more of your money instead of losing it to excessive fees. Fourth, security. Bitget uses advanced security measures to protect your funds during the withdrawal process. They have two-factor authentication, withdrawal whitelists, and real-time monitoring to keep your account safe. And here is the best part. If you are signing up for the first time, you can get exclusive bonuses just by using the link in the description below. I will tell you more about these bonuses at the end of the video, but trust me, you do not want to miss out on them. Now that you understand why Bitget is a great choice, let us get into the actual withdrawal process. All right, the first thing we need to do is make sure you have USTD in your account. USTD is a stablecoin, which means it is pegged to the US dollar, and it is the most commonly used currency for peer-to-peer withdrawals on Bitget. If you already have USDT, perfect. You can skip ahead. But if you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, you will need to convert it first. Here is how to do it. Open your Bitget app or go to the Bitget website. At the top of the screen, you will see a menu. Click on Trade, then select Spot Trading. This will take you to the trading interface where you can exchange your crypto. In the search bar at the top, type in the trading pair you need. For example, if you have Bitcoin, search for BTCUSDT. If you have Ethereum, search for ETHUSDT. Click on the pair that matches your cryptocurrency. Now you will see the trading screen. On the right side, there is a panel where you can select Buy or Sell. Click the Sell button, then place your order. Under Order Type, select Market Order. This means your trade will be executed instantly at the current market price. No waiting, no guessing. Next, enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. You can type in a specific amount or you can use the percentage sliders. If you want to convert everything, just click on 100%. Once you have entered your amount, click the Sell button, confirm the transaction, and boom, your crypto is now converted to USTD. You will see your USTD balance update in your spot wallet immediately. Now that you have USDT in your spot wallet, you just need to transfer it to your OTC account. Just simply click on Transfer. Make sure that the From is on Spot and the TO is selected towards your OTC account. Select USDT, enter the amount, and click Confirm. Now we can move on to the actual withdrawal process. Now that you have USDT in your account, it is time to convert it into your local currency and send it to your bank. The easiest way to do this on Bitget is through their peer-to-peer trading system, also called P2P. Here's how to access it. From the main Bitget homepage, look at the top menu. You will see several options like Buy Crypto, Markets, Trade, Futures, and Earn Square More. But here we will click on Buy Crypto, then select P2, P Trading from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the P2P marketplace. This is where you can buy or sell crypto directly with other users. Since we want to withdraw money to our bank, we will be selling our USTD. At the top of the P2P page, you will see two tabs. One says Buy and the other says Sell. Make sure you click on the Sell tab because we are selling our USDT in exchange for a local currency. Next, you need to select your currency. There is a drop-down menu where you can choose your country's currency. For example, if you are in the United States, select USD. If you are in Europe, select EUR. If you are in the Philippines, select PHP. Bitget supports dozens of currencies, so just find yours in the list. Once you have selected your currency, you will see a list of buyers who are ready to purchase your USDT. Each buyer will show their price, their payment methods, and their transaction limits. This is where you will choose who to sell to. All right, now comes the important part, choosing the right buyer. You want to make sure you are dealing with someone reliable, and Bitget makes this easy by showing you important information about each buyer. First, look at the completion rate. This shows the percentage of successful transactions the buyer has completed. I recommend only choosing buyers with a completion rate of at least 95% or higher. This means they are reliable and will not waste your time. Second, check the number of orders. The more orders a buyer has completed, the more experienced and trustworthy they are. Look for buyers with at least 100 completed orders if possible. Third, pay attention to the payment method. This is crucial. You want to choose a buyer who offers a payment method that works for you. Common options include bank transfer, PayPal, Wise, and mobile payment apps, or you could choose a payment method depending on your local banks. Make sure the buyer supports a method that you can easily receive money through. Fourth, check the price. Different buyers offer slightly different rates. Some might offer a better exchange rate than others. Take a moment to compare a few buyers and choose one that gives you the best value. Once you have found a buyer that meets all these criteria, click on their profile name. This will open up the trade details page where you can see more information about the transaction records, completion rates, total trades, ratings, and feedback. On this page, you will see the buyer's payment methods listed clearly. You will also see their trading limits, which tell you the minimum and maximum amount of USDT you can sell to them in one transaction. If everything looks good, enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. The system will automatically calculate how much local currency you will receive based on the buyer's exchange rate. Before you proceed, double check everything. Make sure the amount is correct, the payment method is right, and you are comfortable with the buyer's profile. Once you are ready, click the Sell button to initiate the trade. After you click Sell, Bitget will lock your USDT in escrow. This is a safety feature that protects both you and the buyer. Your USDT will not be released to the buyer until you confirm that you have received the payment in your bank account. Now, the buyer will send the money to your bank account using the payment method they specified. This usually happens within a few minutes, but it can take up to 30 minutes depending on the payment method and your bank. While you're waiting, you will see a chat window where you can communicate with the buyer if needed. Most of the time, you will not need to say anything because the process is automatic. But if there is any issue or delay, you can use this chat to ask questions. Here's what you need to do next. Check your bank account or payment app to confirm that the money has arrived. This is very important. Do not release the USDT until you have verified that the payment is in your account. Once you see the money in your bank, go back to the Bitget P2P page and click the button that says I have received the payment or confirm receipt. This will release your USDT from escrow to the buyer and the transaction is complete. If for some reason the buyer does not send the payment within the time limit, or if there is any problem, do not worry. Bitget has a dispute resolution system. You can open a dispute and Bitget's customer support team will step in to help resolve the issue. Your funds are always protected. And that is it. The money is now in your bank account and you have successfully withdrawn your crypto from Bitget. It is really that simple. Before we wrap up, let me share some crucial security tips that every user should know. First, always enable two-factor authentication on your Bitget account. This adds an extra layer of security and protects you from unauthorized access. Second, never share your password or verification codes with anyone. Bitget will never ask you for this information through email, Telegram, or any other platform. If someone asks, it is a scam. Third, only trade with verified buyers on the P2P platform. Stick with these buyers to minimize risk. Fourth, always confirm the payment in your bank account before releasing the USDT. This is the most important step. Do not rush it. And finally, if something feels wrong or suspicious, do not proceed with the transaction. It is better to cancel and find another buyer than to risk losing your funds. Now, before you go, let me tell you about the amazing bonuses you can get as a new Bitget user. If you sign up using the link in the description below and log in for 3 consecutive days, you will unlock exclusive rewards. Let me show you what is available. Go to the rewards section on Bitget. Under this section, you will see several categories designed specifically for new users. First is the Welcome Pack. This gives you instant bonuses just for signing up and completing basic verification. It takes about 3 consecutive days of check-ins to claim the 200 USDT bonus, and it is free money. Next is New User Tasks. These are simple actions like making your first deposit or completing your first trade. Each task you complete earns you additional rewards. Third is the Deposit Challenge. The more you deposit, the bigger your bonus. This is perfect if you are planning to start trading seriously. Fourth is exclusive tasks. These are limited time missions that give you extra rewards for specific activities on the platform. And last is new earn users only. This section gives you special bonuses if you use Bitget's earning features like staking or savings accounts. All of these perks are only available for a limited time, so make sure you take advantage of them while you can. Just click the link in the description, sign up, and start claiming your rewards. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. You now know exactly how to withdraw your crypto from Bitget and send it straight to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and click the videos popping out on your screen for more crypto tutorials. And do not forget, if you are ready to start using Bitget, click the link in the description to sign up and unlock those exclusive bonuses. Save this video for later if you need to reference these steps again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.